Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's New Homes, and today we're at the fantastic Taw Wharf development right next to the river here in the heart of Barnstaple. Now we're down to the very last few 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses. They're beautifully appointed throughout. We've got lovely views into the estuary and close to all of the amenities. We're at the show home. Let's go take a look now. So welcome inside this beautifully appointed show home here. This is plot 158 and this house is also available for sale. So imagine yourself living in here. This is a wonderful light-filled space, perfect for modern day family living. You've got all the mod cons here. This beautifully fitted kitchen comes equipped with Bosch built-in appliances. Plenty of light floods through the Juliet balcony here on the front facade, and you've got the dining space down through the middle, perfect for family meals or entertainment. So this living space really emphasises waterside living at its very best. Just look at those full height bifolding doors out onto the balcony there, really framing those views out over the river. Now the lounge has got an abundance of space, perfect for that larger family, and there's a direct flow from the kitchen and dining area as well. Imagine throwing those doors back, sitting out on that balcony, watching the world go by. This place could be yours. So here we are, we've moved up to the second floor now, and over these top 2 floors we've got 5 really generous sized bedrooms. Now look at this for a master bedroom suite. Isn't this wonderful? Just take in that view. Imagine waking up to that every morning. It really is a treat. So this room has got built-in wardrobes. There's a lovely ensuite shower room, and across the hallway we've got 2 further double-sized bedrooms as well as a family bathroom. Moving up again to the top floor, there are 2 further huge bedrooms, one of which could easily be used as a home office for those that live and work from home. So everything is here for that modern day family living. So as you would expect, these beautiful homes here at Taw Wharf have got all the creature comforts you would expect. We've got gas-fired central heating, and up here on the first floor, it's all underfloor heating throughout. All of the windows and doors are UPVC double glazed, and there are solar panels on the roof which gives a supplement to the domestic electricity supply. So these homes really are low maintenance, high energy efficiency and low running costs. So a really superb feature of all of these remaining homes here at Taw Wharf are these huge double-length tandem garages. Now these are great for all sorts of things. It could be for parking, of course. You can get 2 cars in nose to tail. It could be a workshop. It could be a games room. There's all sorts of possibilities here again with this really useful space. Now also down on the ground floor, practicality is very much in mind. There's a utility room and a ground floor cloakroom as well, so you've got everything you need for that modern day family home. So here we are, we're in plot 150, and this top floor is fantastic space. This is completely customizable to your own choice, your own specification. Now this area could be more bedrooms and a bathroom. It could be a teenage children's suite. It could be a games room. It could be a gym. There's all manner of opportunities here for you, completely customizable to your choice. So what will you do? Here's a few examples. So we're now in plot 159, and this lovely house is an end terrace townhouse, but a real feature in here. Just look at these fabulous windows that take full advantage of those wonderful views out over the estuary. This really is a fabulous light-filled room, and there are 2 balconies off of this one, both which look directly onto the river and the Long Bridge, and a great space for an alfresco meal, a drink or morning coffee. Now, of course, one of the real benefits of buying a brand new home at Tor Wharf is low maintenance, easy living. And these houses are absolutely perfect for those that want to take life easy. Now, they're also very energy efficient as well, and compared to most ordinary second-hand homes, these properties are going to be much lower running costs. Now, of course, convenience is also a big thing here. You can see just in behind me, we're right in the heart of Barnstaple town centre. We're right next to the fantastic estuary here, and all of the facilities and amenities that you'll need are within very close proximity. We've got the cafes, we've got the bars, we've got the restaurants, we've got the schools, we've got North Devon College, we've got the train station and the bus station. We've got regular services to the nearby towns and villages. So everything you need for modern day family living is right on your doorstep. So each of these houses has its own unique features, and plot 149 and 157 have these really fabulous roof garden areas directly overlooking the estuary, so you can enjoy those fantastic views. Now, this is a great place to sit, morning coffee, evening drink, alfresco dining or a barbecue, you name it, the choice is yours. So there we are. I hope you've enjoyed our guided tour of these fabulous homes here at Tor Wharf. And as you've seen, each one of these remaining houses has got its own unique features. This waterside living really is a treat. Just look at that view there, remember that. And of course, the convenience and proximity to all of the amenities that Barnstaple has. So to come and book your viewing now, please do call us on 01 271 373 404. Many thanks.